Alrighty, folks, we're back at it. I already posted that we're going to be opening this. We got a special knife right here. CRKT. I don't know what it means. What's it mean?
Columbia River Knife and Tool.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. There's a shout out to them. But here's the main creme de la creme. Thank you, sir. Let's see what we get. I'm hoping to pull a Nikki B, a Vivian Reed, you know, the higher end stuff. But one thing we gotta do is bless the packs. So I'm gonna do it quick and easy like this. And we'll pull these out over here. Make them fall on the floor. Luckily, I didn't have that happen. Alright, can't wait for War of the Spark. That's gonna be exciting. Alright, let's start this puppy off with a bang. Alright, let's see how we're looking. Alright, you guys can see it fine. Alright. So we've got the white, blue, red. See it alright? Green, black. Get through the common stuff. Vengeance. Poor, oh, that's not Gideon. Poor Gideon, he gives his life to save everybody.
Nice.
And get rid of Nicobolus. So that's pretty cool. It's respectable. I don't know why I put that there. It goes there. Electrify. Alright, Fountain of Renewal. That's a pretty good card. I use that a lot in Arena. Make a Stand. Fellow Spectre. Leliana's Contract. Cool. With a Nicobolus token. Look at that. Alright. Next pack. Tezzerect's gone up in price, so pulling him would be alright too. I'm sure that's probably not any reason for the other ones going up, but Goblin Motivator. Who cares about this stuff? We've already gone through it enough on other channels. That's a great card too. Centaur. Crash Through. Sky Marcher Bloodletter. That's a pretty good card too. Regular double cast for our first uncommon. Another Fellow Spectre. Departed Deckhand. And a Pelco Worm. That's nothing great to write home about to Mom, is it? Alright, so Lovex, Inspire Church. Aviation. Vishal Pyromancer, it's a good card. Red Bite's pretty cool. Sovereign Bite. Devils. Ravenous Herbie in black. Thud, that's a great card to have. Thud your mom. Maybe he knows what that means. Give a shout out. Sleep. Oh, look at that. Sarkhan the Fireblood. That's a pretty kick butt card. Hells yeah, if I had a Bella, ding it. Ding, ding, ding. And so we'll put that one over here. First Planeswalker. I'm pretty excited. Alright, let's see what else we got. So I'm pretty new to this. Any info on what I could do better would be appreciated. Yeah. So yeah, War of the Spark. I will be picking up that new Gideon spell book. Looks pretty exciting. Free finish. Psychic Symbiote. Okay. Right there. Siege Breaker Giant and a Runic Armasaur. Ooh, our first foil is a Sky Scanner. Sweet. Yeah, I really don't know what to say when I'm on video. I wanted to pull some pretty kick butt cards. My son is sleeping, so I'm going to try not to scream my head off if I pull anything really awesome. I wouldn't mind pulling in a Adversary of Tyrants. That would be a pretty cool one to pull. This set is pretty respectable. There are some definite enchantments and stuff that I'd like to pull as well. Inferno Helion, first uncommon, Lightning Strike, Switcheroo, one with a machine, and a Tranquil Expense. Yeah, doing alright so far, I guess. What do you think?
Yeah, doing alright.
This guy, if you hear him in the background, you know what? Turn off the fan, dude. I don't know why the fan's on in the first place. Alright. Maybe you can hear me better now. Especially the camera. Alright. Devils. Oh, there we go. That goes in there. Raptor Spider is a pretty good card. That'll go in a land pile. Gravedigger, there we go.
Old school.
Yeah, it is. Enigma Drake, that's a pretty kick butt card. Oh, look at that Alpine Moon. There's a $4 card right there. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. It's not a foil, though. I thought it'd be a foil in that spot. Maybe I'm just hoping too much. Hoping and praying and living. Yeah.
So that's okay, though, because if you get through all the mediocre packs,
Yeah.
hopefully them good ones will be down in the bottom line.
Alright. That would be pretty awesome. I hope that happens.
Pull like 7 nickel balls.
I've never heard of that, but hey. That'd be pretty good luck right there. Luminous Bond. Very great enchantment. Marauder's Axe. Essence Scatter. Naturalize. And our uncommon is a Rogue's Gloves. Dragon Egg. Militia Bugler. And Alina. Alright, so that goes there. They both go there. I'm gonna lower my. Uh-oh. There we go. That's a little bit more comfy.
Be nice if they went back to where when they were cutting the sheet, you ended up with a whole set in one box, you know?
That would be nice. When did they stop doing that, do you know?
Revised, I think.
Oh, was it revised? Alright. If anybody knows, put it in the comments below.
Maybe unlimited, something like that.
Yeah. An older set?
Yeah.
Oh.
I know alphas and betas were like that.
Right. Oh yeah, yeah. That's how they were able to find out what they were gonna have in the deck. So that they'd count the cards and Volley Veteran. We've got a Dragonic Disciple. Lightning Strike. Vivian Reed, look at that. Bang! Pow! Look at that. That's some crazy stuff right there. With a Fell Orchard in the back. There's a $20 card easily. She's been going down in price, but I don't think she'll go down much more. I'm excited about that. That was great. Great pull. Oh, bring it home to mama. Nope. Fumble on the Druid. a regular Sky Scanner. Snap on Drake. Liches. Caress. A Manolith. Not like... If you pulled M19 product, you've gotten too many Manoliths to talk about. Alright, Lightning Mare. There's our first one. Knightly Valor. Volcanic Dragon. And Infernal Reckoning. Big deal. Alright. We're doing awesome on this box though. I'm happy. How about you?
Hey,
It's all new, right, huh? Oh, is it? This is all new set?
Yeah.
Oh, these cards are great. I like M19. M19 is pretty awesome.
Reprint any good stuff in it?
Yes, they did. If I pull some, I'll show you what they are, but I can't think of them off the top of my head. Oh, Omnipotence.
Oh, yeah.
Omniscience. That's what it is. Shock.
Always good.
Another Inferno Helion. I think they put this as a foil card in like jank boxes at Walmart, but it'll have the foil symbol around the center of the card. Alright. Regal Bloodlord. Or Splendid Angel. There we go. Look at that. I'm getting some pretty killer pulls. That's a great card too. That's like a $12 card, I think. I just looked at the prices, so I was trying to remember some of them just before I broke open the box.
That was pretty sick.
Yeah. You like that card?
Yeah.
Oh my god, after you get 4 life, you get 4/4 Angel. Right? Isn't that what it says?
5 life, yeah.
Yeah, 5 life.
5 or more.
Yeah. And as long as you're playing a life gain deck, there's no way you can...
Man, I got a deck that'll fit in.
Right? Totally lost. Diamond Mare for the uncommon. Mirror Image. That's a great card. Poison Tipped Archer. Oh, I love that card. And Memento the Meek. That's a good card too. Look at that. Oh, Lava Axe Foil. There you go, Joey Moss. Skadoosh. That is a beautiful card. There's your red card for the night. Alright. And another Foul Orchard. Look at that. Where do we put the foils? Right there. Alright. On to the next pack. Alright. So... Oh, what am I doing? That's a fumble. Hurting the cards are right. Jeez. Alright. Let's get back into this. Crown Stig. Essence Scattered. Staking Spores. Rise from the Grave. That was another one that they reprinted.
Nice.
Yep. There we go. Put it back there. Diregraph Ghoul. There we go. Another Psychic Symbiont.
Symbiont?
Yep. And a Prodigious Growth. It's an enchantment. Add 7/7 and trample. That's pretty nasty.
That is pretty healthy.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about running over many people with that. Unless they kick the spell.
Yeah, I was going through a deck of my own last night.
Yep.
Haven't played it in a while. Haven't even looked at it in a while.
Right.
And there was a Dictate of the Twin Gods. Any source that would deal damage deals double that damage.
Oh, really?
Man, you throw that on there.
Yeah.
Dictate of the Twin Gods.
Yep. What would it double the life?
Double the damage. So I mean, you throw it on even a weenie, you're looking at 8 doubles to 16.
Damn, that's a good hit for EDH.
Yeah.
Smelt. There's another double cast. Oh, Meteor Golem. Shout out to him. That's a nasty card. Wanna read that?
Yeah.
Skyrider. Dragon's Horde. There we go. And Tranquil Expense. Okay, that'll go in that pile
That is a good deal.
I'm gonna go by stacks. Just so I can tell. Oh, what am I doing? Making time go away without ripping something. Alright, let's get back to this. Sorry about the fumble. Trying to be as quick as I can. It's easier said than done, especially when
36 packs.
yeah, 36 packs. It's pretty. I give people props, but I'm not sitting comfortably either, so. Time of Night. Salvage of Secrets. Red. All Mist. The Wall Deck. Rabbit Bite. Look at that. Reliquary Tower. You have no maximum hand size. I love that card. It's so helpful. And then a Giraffer Guide. Okay. Skyrider and a Graveyard Marshal. Nothing great. But that's okay. We've already pulled one Vivian.
That tower reminds me of the old Library of Lang.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I keep kicking that? I probably do. Sorry about the jittering. It's me kicking the stand. Figures. Something I'd do. Elvish Rejuvenator. Savage. Root Snare. Alert. Invoke Divine. Alright, so our first uncommon is a Shield Mare. Plague Mare. Look at that. 2 mares in the same pack. Johnny's Pride Mate and Sarkhan's Unsealing. Alright. And, oh, look at that. Psychic Symbiont. That's pretty cool foil. I love the black and blue ones because they shine really nice. There's that, and that goes there. So I bought this box from Channel Fireball. I believe I paid $400 for 4 boxes, which I thought it was a pretty good deal. And I pulled the $34 Necropotence out of the Iconic Master pack that they gave me.
Nice.
Yep. Dirty card. It's a 2/2. It's got Death Touch for when you're beginning your game. It's a great card to pull out.
Oh, that Death Touch.
Oh yeah, Death Touch is great.
Even if it comes out later and you're up against some bigger stuff.
Exactly, the ones that don't have trample, yep. Aether Tunnel. Vine Mare. Discraft and a Villain Knight. Okay. That was, yeah, that was right. Okay. Yeah. So, I do a bunch of stuff today. You know, that adult stuff, do laundry. You know, do the dishes, that kind of stuff. It'd really be relaxing, but can't always do that. Field Creeper. Skilled Animator for blue uncommon. Heroic Reinforcements. That's a good sorcery card. None of them here. Gargoyle Sentinel and Elvish Clan Collar. That's a great rare. Yeah. And a Stone Quarry. Okay. Mr. Doing alright on this set. I'm already happy because I pulled the Vivian. But there are other things in this box. Is that a blue one? Okay. We can pull. And Spurton. Letter. Field Creeper. Alright. Aegis of the Heavens. Pretty card. Arcane Encyclopedia is a great card to get some mana ramp or some card draw. Johnny's Pride Mate. Chromium. There we go. The Mutable. There's a good card to have. That one's gone up in price too, and it's a dragon. An Elder Dragon of no less. Yeah, buddy.
Check that.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Salvager Secrets. Even though it's a regular common, they're beautiful and they're foiled. Yeah. I'm doing kick butt on this box. I really like to swear, but I'm trying to respect all my viewers.
That is pretty neat.
That is a beautiful card. Yeah, Chromium's gonna go up with Vivian. Domination.
You know if they put out all the Elder Dragon
Oh,
Dragon
yes.
Legends?
Yeah.
They have. Yep. I love the Vampire Neonate. As long as you're green in life, you can pop them. You can. I believe you can get it back in your hand. No, that's the other one. 2-drop. This one you can hit somebody for 1 life each time for 2 mana. Worth it. Alright, so we got Psychic Corrosion. Murder. Exclusion Mage and Patient Rebuilding. And we've got the Woods Tree. Alright, oh, they're all blue. Look at that. Alright. So, next pack. Alright. Invoke Divine. Pegasus. Field Creeper. Another Shield Mare. And Nightmare's Thirst. Colossal Majesty, great card. And a Goreclaw. Not the greatest, but not the worst either. Alright, let's see some of those enchantments. I would like to see them at least. Goblin Elevator. Explosive. Calvary. Blanchwood Armor, one of the best cards you can get. For every forest you have out, you get +1/+1. Great build-up card. Herald of Faith. You add 2 life every time she attacks. Good card. Satyr Enchanter. I've got multiples of him. And Metamorphic Alteration. There we go. Good card. Alright. It's not worth much, I don't think. Maybe a song or something like that. Walnut. And a Druid of the Horns. Pretty good card. Ravenous Harpy. Damn great card. As long as you have some tokens out there, you can kill him. You know, add some 1/1s to him. We've got a Plague Mirror. And Open the Graves. There we go. Alright, let's turn this around. Let's get back to some of those ideal cards. Recollect. And that's green. Third. Phil Spector, and Liliana Touched. She's been going up in price too. This is a killer box. Oh my goodness. I'm kicking butt. Oh my goodness. The mythics. I've got 4 so far right now, I think.
Yeah, 3 planeswalkers and a dragon.
Yeah. Yep. That popped it up a notch. There we go. Let's see what else we can pull. Yeah. That's a crazy card right there, too. Liliana Untouched by Death. I picked one up when she was cheaper, like $3. It was so worth it because her cards they're always going to go up. Novus Knight. Good defender card. Druid Greenseeker. This is a good way to, foretell your next card in your hand. Because if it's a land, you can just throw it in your hand and then put it on the field if you don't have a land that time. Great card. Alright. So, Surge Mayor. Oh my goodness. Vivictus. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. And a mountain. Look at that. That's 5 mythics right there, I think. 2 dragons. Hey, maybe we'll see Nikki B.
Maybe.
That would be pretty cool.
Be crazy if you pulled all.
I never heard of that happening. All the dragons being pulled. That would be ideal.
They're all set up by random. Supposedly, it's possible.
It is possible.
It's possible.
That's right. Root Snare. Another dragon egg. Another make a stand. Declare dominance. And a Magistrate's Scepter. And the Timber Gorge. I can't see that anymore. That's getting annoying. There. That was easy. Alright. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Thanks for watching. If you guys have gotten this far, tap the like button. Alright. And we're back at it. Another Diamond Mare. Another Mare. Lion Mare. Aerial Engineer. Dismissive Pyromancer. There we go. Sweetness.
Got some built-in burn, I'm guessing.
Oh yes, built-in burn. It says discard a card, draw a card for 1, and then for 3, sacrifice to Dismissive Pyromancer. It deals 4 damage to target creature.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't use it, but I'm sure a lot of people that love burn like to use that card. You for one, you might be taking me home tonight. Yeah, right? Love to burn. Turn and burn. Oh my feet. Root Snare. Here's another defender for us. Put a place out of that in your deck and smoke it. Rise from the Grave. Another Rise from the Grave. Meteor Golem and a Mystic Archaeologist. Okay. Sitting in this chair makes me feel like I'm riding on an elephant. I'm having to spread my legs so far out to get around this darn table. It does. It really does. I need a higher table, or else I need to get some stilts for the table to rise it up a little bit, so I'm not trying to punch over it. But this is the only table I really have, because my other table is filled with my computer and coins. I was collecting coins. I still do. I just don't do it as much. I will be getting out to do some metal detecting this summer with my son, because his nana got him a metal detector. Alright, so Reclamation Sage. Good green card. Suspicious bookcase. Poison tipped archer again. And an amulet of safekeeping. And another Nicobolus token. Look at that. Alright. Whenever you become the target of a spell or ability an opponent controls, control that spell or ability unless its controller pays 1. Creature tokens get -1, -0. That's pretty cool. Sounds pretty nice to have, huh? Alright, Mickey B or Tezzeret. I'm just asking. Let's get through these commons. I don't think there's many commons that are exciting without in this set. Drew Cattle, Smelt, which is correct. Gallant. Sky Scanner. Alright. There's a cool one. Stitcher's Supplier. It's a good zombie card to have. Druid Greenseeker. Surge Mayor. And a Transmogriffing Wand. And a Many-Order. Doing some pretty kick butt on the artifacts. That's pretty good. So we pull 2 dragons, 3 planeswalkers, and a partridge and a pear tree. What is the next card gonna be? Let's see here. Racial Pirates. Ooh, big stompy creature. Gasbark Twins. Aether Shield Artificer. There's a Hieromancer's Cage. And a Leonin Warlord. War Leader. Not too shabby. Alright. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you can't see it, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get a feel for where I should keep my camera. Johnny's Welcome. There's a good card to have. In any deck. Reclamation Stage again. Switcheroo. Giganosaurus. There we go. There's a big stomping creature. Oh, look at that. That is sick. Pulled a foil one too. What are the odds? That's pretty nice. Nasty. Nasty sauce. Wicked. I don't care. This has been a pretty good box. It was fun to open. Especially with y'all on the camera. Thanks for watching. Got a couple packs left.